going to discussing about topic is pair of straight lines. So what is a pair of straight lines? Here ఇక్కడ pair of straight lines అనే మీనింగ్ లోనే మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఉంది. pair, what is a pair? రెండు. pair అంటే రెండు, straight lines అంటే రెండు straight lines గురించి మనం డిస్కషన్ చేస్తున్నాం. We are going to discussing about two straight lines. This called as a simple form of the pair of straight lines. Will be discussed how many topics is there, how many theorems is there, how many problems is there. Will be discussed one by one in this chapter, right? Especially ఈ చాప్టర్ చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఎస్పెషల్లీ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ అంటే చాలా చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. మీరందరూ జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. ఎక్కడైనా డౌట్ వచ్చి ఒకసారి నాకు పింక్ చేయండి కామెంట్ లో, ఆల్ బి గివ్ ఆన్సర్. చాలా వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ ప్రాబ్లమ్. సో మెనీ మెంబర్స్ nowadays so many member intermediate students are thinking is a pair of straight lines very hard. It's not a hard, ఇది చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ గా ఉంటుంది, చాలా సింపుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఒకసారి చూడండి, వన్ బై వన్ థియరం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. థియరం ఇది చాలా వెరీ ఈజీ థియరం. సో pair of straight lines, especially pair of straight lines will take in this especially pair of straight lines will be discussed one important equation is nothing but homogeneous equation. What is a homogeneous equation? What is a homogeneous equation is at once listen. So these are homogeneous, capital H. Homogeneous is nothing but ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. This is the homogeneous equation of in second degree of the equation whenever given two pair of straight lines. అంటే హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ax స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ by స్క్వేర్ అనేది హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లో చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఇది. సో రైట్, ax స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ by స్క్వేర్ రైట్ విల్ టేక్ L1 ఈక్వల్ టు వన్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుందాం. మనం L1 అనేది ఒక స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఏమని తీసుకుంటే L1x ప్లస్ M1y ప్లస్ N1. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అండి. L1x plus M1y plus M1y plus N1 equal to this 0. This is equation 1. Same way, similarly L2 equal to L2x plus M2y plus N2. This is the equation 2. L1x plus M1y plus N1, L2x plus M2y plus N2. So these are equation 2. Especially equation లో మనం డిస్కషన్ చేయాల్సింది these are equation 1 and this is equation 1 L1 into L2. Where here from this two equation especially H equal to L1 into L2. L1 into L2. What is a homogeneous equation here? Homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hx square plus by square. These are homogeneous second degree equation where a comma h comma b comma non-real numbers. The real numbers a comma h comma b is the real numbers. Its coefficient is not 0. This one is especially a comma h comma b. Yes. Therefore homogeneous equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to L1x plus M1y plus N1 into L2x plus M2y plus N2. So this is the equation. From this equation A1, L1, L2 equal to A. Same way M1, N2 equal to B. L1, L2 equal to A. M1, M2 equal to B, where L1, M1 plus L2 plus L2, M1 equal to 2H. L1, M2 plus L2, M1 equal to 2H. From this equation, H equal to L1, M2 plus L2, M1 divided by 2. So this is the equation, simple form. Especially this equation is homogeneous of the equation. Whenever they given, we are going to prove that h square less than or equal greater than or equal to AB. H square greater than or equal to AB. We are going to prove where h comma a comma b is the non-zero, where the both the a comma b comma h comma is the real numbers. So we are going to prove h square less than greater than or equal to AB. So this is a condition. H equal to L1 M2 plus L2 M1 divided by 2. So therefore we know that equation, what is the equation? H square equal to AB. H square equal to AB greater than or equal to 0. This is the condition. Therefore, we know that A equal to L1 L2, then B equal to M1 M2, and H equal to L1 M2 plus L2 M1 divided by 2. So therefore, these all values are we are substituting in this condition where H square is nothing but what is the H value? L1 M2 plus L2 M1 divided by 2 whole square minus AB. What is the AB value? L1 L2 into M1 M2. Up to clear? So ఇక్కడ లేదేం లేదండి h స్క్వేర్ minus AB greater than or equal to 0 ఈ కండిషన్ మనం ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇన్ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ లో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టు పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ టూ లైన్స్ ఈ పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ టూ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ మనకు వచ్చిన హోమోజీనియస్ సెకండ్ డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ ax స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2hx1 ప్లస్ by స్క్వేర్ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి ఈ కండిషన్ మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి h స్క్వేర్ minus b greater than or equal to minus ab greater than or equal to 0 అని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి రైట్ సో therefore here L1 square M2 square where either L1 M2 whole square plus L2 M1 whole square plus 2 L1 M2 L2 M1 divided by here minus take cross multiplication 4 L1 L2 M1 M2 divided by where 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 square is nothing but 4. Simple. Right here, L1, listen here, 2L1 M2, L2 M1 minus 4L1 L2, M1 M2. Therefore, here we are taking condition is L1 M2 whole square is something here. Finally, we will get L1 M2 whole square plus L2 M1 whole square minus 2L1 L2 M1 M2 divided by 4. Is divided by 4. Therefore, this equation is will written as L1 M2 L2 minus L2 M1 divided by 2 whole square. Where condition is greater than or equal to 0. Where condition equal to greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, we will take what is this equation? This equation L1 M2 minus L2 M1 divided by 2. Actually, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 divided by 2 is, we know that H. But what is the condition here? Therefore, this final condition will get H square less than or equal to AB. H square less than or equal to AB. This is a condition of homogeneous. This is the first theorem. Straight up pair of straight lines మనకు ఫస్ట్ థియరం ఇదేను చాలా ఈజీ థియరం కూడా మనకి నీట్ గా అర్థమవుతుంది రెండు స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ ఇచ్చారు ఆ రెండు స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ ఏంటి L1 ఈక్వల్ టు L1x ప్లస్ M1y ప్లస్ N therefore LT ఈక్వల్ టు L2x ప్లస్ M2y ప్లస్ N2 these two equations here get h square greater than or equal to AB. This condition is satisfied. Next one in this theorem, case 1. Assume that case 1 A not equal to 0 అంటే మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటామంటే హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్ h equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square అంటే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో మనం a not equal to 0 తీసుకుంటాం. విల్ టేక్ a not equal to 0 అంటే a equal to 0 కానప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది ఈ టోటల్ టర్మ్ ఇస్ నాట్ 0. సో therefore ax square plus 2hxy plus by square as it is write down ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. From this equation, especially from this equation 1 by a I will take in this equation నేను ఏం కామన్ తీసుకున్నాను I can take 1 by a is the common in this equation 1 by a into a square x square plus 2hxay plus aby square, right? Why? Because we are going to common here 1 by a y is nothing but here ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఈక్వేషన్ మనం a plus b whole square ఫార్ములా రాయొచ్చు. we are going to plan to write a plus b whole square. that's why 1 by a into a square x square written as ax whole square, 2h x y is written as 2 into ax plus hy plus ab y square as it is write down. but here we are adding and subtraction h square y square. we are adding subtraction h square y square. clear? right. therefore 1 by a, this one written as this term and this one written as ax plus hy whole square minus same way this one written as h square minus ab whole square. అండర్స్టాండ్? చాలా సింపుల్ అండి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఏ మైనస్ బి ఫార్ములా ఏ మైనస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తాం. మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తాం. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తే మన హెచ్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏబి ఇంటూ వై స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. మైనస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ఇస్ కామన్ ఇన్ బోత్ టర్మ్స్. దిస్ టర్మ్ in these two terms minus is a common remaining is h square minus ab y square is common. సో కాబట్టి ఇది h స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది, ఇది a స్క్వేర్ b స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది. ఆ ఫార్ములా మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు? a plus b into a minus b రాయాలి. సో we are going to write is a plus b into a minus b. same way a plus b ax plus hy plus b is nothing but h square minus ab into y square is nothing but. okay na? same way this one here ax plus hy into root of h square minus ab into y. so here we'll get two conditions. a into b వచ్చే మనకు we'll get a into b. here condition h square minus ab greater than or equal to 0 condition. therefore 1 by a into ax plus h plus root of h square minus ab into y. these are one equation. second equation is equal to 0. ax plus y h minus root of h square minus ab into y is equal to 0. we get this. Here we'll get two factors. This first factor is nothing but one straight line. These are L1, and second factor is nothing but second straight line. Finally we'll get two straight lines. first straight line is nothing but ax plus root of h square minus ab into y. second straight line is L2 equal to ax plus h minus root of h square minus ab into y. these are will get two pair of straight lines. Whenever we'll get a not equal to 0, this is a condition. whenever a not equal to 0, that time we'll get two pair of straight lines. now we will take a equal to 0 condition. we'll get a equal to 0 condition. what we'll get once see here. so a equal to 0, case to a equal to 0. therefore h equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. therefore equal to 0. okay, clear? right. h equal to 0 is the condition. h square equal to 0 is the condition. we are substituting here. therefore this total term equal to 0. this total first term h square term is total equal to 0. therefore 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. in these two terms y is a common. we'll get 2hx plus by equal to 0. therefore y equal to 0, and second one is 2hx equal to plus by equal to 0. this will get two equation. we'll represent of a two pair of straight lines, but we'll get y equal to 0, then 2hx plus by equal to 0 whenever they will take in condition case to a equal to 0. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మేము ఈ థీరం అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే కండిషన్ అంటే ఏ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కండిషన్ వాట్ విల్ pair of straight lines we'll get already we have discussed. this is first theorem. నెక్స్ట్ థీరం ఇది చాలా very easy but very important in pair of straight lines. in pair of straight lines that a plus b divided by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. this is a very important theorem. but here let the given equation ax square plus 2hx square plus by equal to 0. this is the homogeneous of the second degree of the equation represents a pair of straight lines. then the angle of theta cos theta equal to that a plus b divided by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. we are going to prove from this equation a L1 L2 equal to a, M1 M2 equal to b. therefore L1 M2 plus L2 M1 equal to 2H. These are basic knowledge of pair of straight lines. We know that. We know that, right? From this equation, listen. Here, homogeneous equation H equal to AX square plus 2HXY plus BY square equal to 0. Therefore, H equal to L1X plus M1Y into L2X plus M2Y. M2Y. Therefore, why? Because L1X plus M1Y plus M1 equal to 0. In this year, L1 equal to 0 condition. Next, L2X plus M2Y plus N2 equal to 0. Where N2 equal to 0 in this condition, will get L1X plus M1Y equal to 0. There L2X plus M2Y equal to 0. This is the conditional pair of straight lines where, therefore, homogeneous equation L1X plus M1Y into L2X plus M2Y. This is an equation. From this equation, cos theta equal to, we know that this is the previous lines of straight lines. Straight lines lo మనకు theorem ఉంది, angle. Two straight lines మధ్య యాంగిల్ ఉంది కదా, సో సేమ్ థీరం మీరు అప్లై హియర్. cos theta equal to a plus b is nothing but what is a L1 L2 plus M1 M2 get divided by root of here L1 plus L2 whole square into M1 or either L1 square plus L2 square into M1 square plus M2 square. This one written as that L1 L2 plus M1 M2 that divided by this one. Therefore, L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square into L1 M2 plus L2 M1. So therefore written as here cos theta equal to what is the L1 L2 plus M1 M2? We know that A plus B, that A plus B divided by, so A value A equal to L1 L2, B value M1 M2. That's what we are substituting here. A plus B get root of divided by root of L1 L2. What is the L1 L2? L1 L2 is nothing but we want to A minus B. This one written as A minus B whole square plus, listen here, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 here L2 M1. Therefore L2 M1 is nothing but this one is 2H whole square is nothing but whole square. Therefore A plus B divided by A minus B whole square plus 4H square. This is the rule. So this is the angle of the theta whenever they given two represent of the straight lines. This angle is that A plus B divided by root of A minus B whole square plus 4H square. This is the theta angle. This is second equation. Theorem is by L1 and L2 intersecting lines L1 equal to A1x plus B1y plus C1y equal to 0. Same way L2 equal to L2 A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Where this equation of the bisector of the angle L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0, we are going to prove that L1x plus M2y plus C1 divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square or either root of L square plus M square equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 divided by root of A square plus B square. We are going to prove that this is an equation. So this very important theorem in this expression in pair of straight lines will be discussed, but very dead easy. Listen. So these are L1 equal to A1, L1, L2. Here, this is a diagram. One C diagram. This is a y-axis. This is a x-axis. One line is intersecting line. One line is this. Assume that L1. This is the L1 line. Same way, one more line like. This is the L2. This is the bisector line is nothing but moving like that. Therefore, right here, one P point, one P locus point P x1 comma y1 is lying on here on the bisector line. P x1 comma y1. Therefore, x1 comma y1. This is a p x1 comma y1. From once observe here p point, locus point distance to L2, L1, locus point to distance is L2. The both are equal. Why? Because the p point is lying on the bisector on the line. Bisector on the line, each other two, L1 and L2. That's why these distance are equal from this diagram. From this diagram, assume that this one M, this one M. Therefore, PM equal to PN. PM equal to PN. This is the condition from this diagram. Where PM, what is the PM? Already we have discussed previous knowledge in straight lines. PM is nothing but the P point is projected on the straight line. Projections on the straight line. Therefore, what is the L1? L1 is nothing but A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. Therefore, L1 A1x plus B1y plus C1 divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square equal to, next same way this one, A2x plus B2y plus C2 divided by root of A2 square plus B2 square. So this is the equation from this diagram. Clear? The PM equal to PN. Why? Because the locus of the point. What is the locus point here? This is a P point is the locus of the point. This locus point is projected on the both sides only. Here L1 and L2. But we have taken simply the distance between locus point to L1 line and same way locus point to L2 line. Whatever may be, the both are equal. So therefore PM equal to PN. Then finally we get this one. But here P x1 comma y1. P locus point x1 comma y1 is bisector lying on the bisector line. So bisector line. Therefore lying on the bisector line. That's why therefore A1x1 plus B1y1 plus C1 divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square equal to plus or minus A2x plus B2x1 B2 y1 plus C2 divided by root of A2 square plus B2 square. Plus or minus here, plus or minus. Why? Because P point is lying on the line where we are taking this one is in straight line. Already we have discussed this plus or minus. So therefore we'll get A1x 1 plus B1 y1 plus C1 that divided by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus or minus. Next one is that A2x1 plus B2 y1 plus C2 divided by root of A2 square plus B2 square. So this is the theorem. చాలా చిన్న థీరం అంటే చాలా వెరీ ఈజీ థీరం ఇది. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదండి, L1 L2 అనే రెండు లైన్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఆ రెండు లైన్లు ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయ్యాయి. ఆ రెండు లైన్లకి డ్రా చేసిన బైసెక్టర్ లైన్, ఆ లైన్ పైన P అనే పాయింట్ లోకస్ పాయింట్ లై అయింది అంటే దానిపైన వచ్చిందని అర్థం. సో ఈ P పాయింట్ నుంచి ప్రొజెక్ట్ ది L1 లైన్ అండ్ ప్రొజెక్ట్ ది L2 లైన్. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర నుంచి L1 పైకి L2 లైన్ కి ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసాము. లేదా వాటి మధ్య ఉన్న డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్, అంతే సింపుల్. డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్తే చాలా సింపుల్ గా వచ్చేసింది. సో పిఎం ఈక్వల్ టు పిఎల్ అనుకున్నప్పుడు అది ఏమవుతుంది? పిఎం అంటే మనం ఆల్రెడీ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ లో చూసాం. స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ లో ఒక పాయింట్ లోకస్ పాయింట్ ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? L1 డివైడెడ్ బై రూట్ ఆఫ్ దీని యొక్క కోఎఫిషియంట్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ A1 square plus B1 square. Same as it is we will substitute this. But here P point, whenever the P x1 comma y1 is lying on the bisector of the line, will get plus or minus L2x plus E. Plus or minus అంటే మన ఫార్ములా వస్తుంది అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం డెట్ వాల్యూలో మైనస్ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నా నేను పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ అయిపోతుంది. విల్ గెట్ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూ. సేమ్ ఏ సిచ్యువేషన్ విల్ గెట్ దిస్ వై బికాస్ వి ఆర్ గివెన్ కండిషన్ ఇస్ విల్ సాటిస్ఫై. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద థియరం. నెక్స్ట్ ఆన్ ది థియరం one exact question is here, what is the given example? One small example. Angle between the lines of 7x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. So x minus plus 1 equal to 0 using the intersecting of the theorem. Before you have discussed intersecting of this theorem we have discussed. Therefore this one is theorem is a1x1 plus b1y1 plus c1 divided by root of a1 square plus b1 square. Same way plus or minus a2x2 plus x1. Next b2y1 plus C2 divided by root of a2 square plus b2 square. This is the formula, but we are given equations is L1 equal to 7x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, L2 equal to x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. These are equation. The two equations. These are given two equations, right? Therefore, so a1 x1 is nothing but 7x plus y plus 3 divided by root of 49. 7 square is nothing but 7 square 49 plus 1 square is nothing but 1. Is nothing plus or minus. This one is nothing but x minus y plus 1 divided by 1 square plus 1 square. What is the value? Root 2 equal to 0. Therefore, 7x plus y plus 3 divided by root 50 plus or minus x minus y plus 1 divided by root 2 equal to 0. Understand that? Up to here. Therefore, we are taking LCM here. We are taking LCM here. Therefore, root 50 into root 2. Therefore, we will get that x plus y plus 3 plus or minus 5. That x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. See here, denominator root 50 into root 2 is transposed that side, we will get 0. Therefore, 7x plus y plus 3 plus or minus 5x minus 5y plus 5 equal to 0. So here two conditions is there. Case 1, 7x plus y plus 3 plus 5x minus 5y plus 5 equal to 0. So therefore 7x plus 5x 12x plus y plus 4 minus 4y. This one is plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 4 2 ja. Therefore 3x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. Same way, case 2. Case 2, 7x plus y plus 3. Here, plus or minus is multiplied. Minus 5x plus 5y minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, 7x minus 5x, 2x. Therefore, this one is plus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja. Therefore, x plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation 2. So this is a given two pair of straight lines. Given two pair of, we require two pair of straight lines. This is two lines are the required pair of two straight lines. Very easy problems. Whenever we are understanding easily in theorem, what is the theorem is given, automatically we are easily understand the remaining problems.